Gyan Sagar Educational Group presents eSchool.
Hello children, in GK we are continuing our previous topic, that is names of birds, page number 47. So let's start. Which bird is this? Ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. Next is hen. Which bird is this? Hen. H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. Next is woodpecker. Which bird is this? Woodpecker. W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R, woodpecker. W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R, woodpecker. Next is duck. Which bird is this? Duck. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Next is myna. Which bird is this? Myna. M-Y-N-A-H, myna. M-Y-N-A-H, myna. Next is peacock. Which bird is this? Peacock. Peacock is our national bird. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Next is swan. Which bird is this? Swan. S-W-A-N, swan. S-W-A-N, swan. Now children, once again repeat with me. Ostrich, hen, woodpecker, duck, myna, swan and peacock. So children, what did we learn today? Names of birds. Have a nice day.